How to log into Homestreet Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Homestreet Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Homestreet Bank website, homestreet.com, and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the online banking button at the top right corner of the page or find the login button. Then in the drop down menu, tap on the personal. Now you will be taken into the personal banking page. There, type in your user ID and tap on continue. Now you will need to enter your password and click on the sign in button. If everything is correct, you will be logged into your online banking account. And that's it. You are now logged in into Homestreet Bank online banking account. From here, you can check your balance, view transaction, make payments, and manage your account settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you on the next video.